so sleep
I'm a
deprived.
morning. They always have me on the morning shift, so I'm staying up late with Angel Smedley.
Yes,
A new late night talk show.
Punctuating the end of National Quacker Day 2025.
2025, and we only have 20 minutes left. National Quacker Day 2025.
Well, and John, I'm sorry, I know you want to get right into it, right?
Please.
But for fear of like getting in trouble, everything in the Quacker closet on QVC.com is on sale.
Yes.
But
goes away at the end of the day.
It ends.
And if you want any of these prices, you should probably act fast because they will go away at the end of the day.
They will.
Now, this is the Field of Daisies button cover short sleeve cardigan. I absolutely love this. Angel's been wearing it the whole show. It is new today. You're saving $14. Our only order this year. It is February. There's a lot more months left in the year. Length is 26.5 inches to 32.5. We have sizes extra, extra small through 5X. This is your light navy, which Angel has on. Mm-hmm. Then this comes with or without those button covers.
Correct.
So this is it without the button covers.
Right.
This is
so
the azalea.
You can just see how it looks without the button covers. It comes with them, but you can choose whether you put them on or not.
And then we have our light aqua.
So cute.
If you can't wait for spring, don't. You don't have to, because this will be delivered to your door for 4 easy payments of $16.25. Now tell me a little bit about this, because I think this is a famous silhouette that we've seen before.
Yes. So if you watched the video earlier of Jean presenting on QVC for the very first time back in 1995, it was a white cotton blouse with applique fabric and button covers. And for over the last, many years, you've been asking, will you ever bring button covers back? And as far as I knew, the design team was like, no, we can't, because what happens is if you lose one, if you break one, like I did tonight, we can't get you a replacement.
Okay.
There's no way to get you a replacement. So please be gentle with them. So I never thought we would bring them back. And so when we were meeting with QVC last year to talk about the National Quacker Day fashions, you notice a theme. We have daisies in a bunch of our pieces. We have some reminiscent pieces of the past. We of course have the dream jeans, which became so famous and fabulous, right? The head of our design team said,
we're bringing them back.
Let's do it. Let's do the button covers, right? And so the fun thing is they just snap up and you pull it off. If you don't want to wear the button cover, that's fine. If you want to take the button cover and put it on a white collared blouse to add a little, a little pop of something or other, you can do that as well. And then you just slide it on. There we go, and click and snap it. And there you go. And get it into place. Now, the ones that we did in the past were like painted and wooden, and some were ceramic, like so many. I see pictures, people post pictures of all the button covers that they still have, right? And so this is done in a little bit of an acrylic, excuse me, I'm starting.
Yeah. No, this is done in that acrylic, and you're getting that great design in here. You also have that sparkle and shine where you're getting those rhinestones. There's no itchy or scratchy back here. So it's going to be embroidered. It's going to feel good on the skin. You can wear this by itself. You can wear it with that t-shirt or tank under. But it's something that's super, I love the fact that it's the cardigan style, but it's a short sleeve.
Yes.
Perfect for just, I love, Blair looks so great.
She looks great in everything.
Truly, but
really
I just love, I love the length on this as well.
Yes.
Because it is giving you that coverage in the back. It's really feminine, and it does what Quacker Factory does so well. I say that about so many of the pieces because they all bring this joy. And you were getting these gorgeous bright colors. You were getting this detail on it for an incredible price. This is the only order this year, and it is new today. $64.98 will get this home. These button covers are just that great kind of pop that you would love to see as you're walking down the street. But I love it paired with our big deal pants. Or these are not our big deal pants.
Yeah, they are.
Are they?
They are.
There they are. I'm like, I couldn't tell from looking up here.
I understand.
I love that scallop design. And you get these little, now are these heat sealed on here? Okay.
Yeah, I like to say kissed on.
Kissed on.
Because heat sealed is such lingo.
Yes.
It's such jargon of the industry.
Of the industry, of the biz.
Right? Of the biz. So I like to say that they're kissed on because it's more romantic.
Right.
Just thinking that anyway. But how is your fancy card saying that we care for this?
I was just about to say machine wash, dry flat.
See?
60 cotton, 40 polyester.
I would remove the button covers for 100% certain. Remove the button covers before washing because you do not need to wash them. and gentle, gentle, gentle.
Now your color options again are, we have our light aqua, which you are getting the happiest flower.
Yes.
The daisies. Then you have, oh, you have the daisies on all of them. Then we have our light navy. And last but not least, we have our azalea.
And as far as I can remember, azalea has been a color in our line for decades.
I mean,
like it's
this
one of my favorites.
brings joy. This reminds me of a gorgeous spring day. If you are a teacher, if you are someone who is, you know, always around kids, and you get a grandparent, I can just imagine I just had dinner before the show with my mom and my niece and nephew, and I could just imagine her wearing this, especially with these button covers.
Absolutely.
And my niece and nephew losing their mind because it's something that's tactile, it's something that's 3D, it's three-dimensional on there, and it's something that is unique. This is a piece that truly, if you have not ever purchased anything from Quacker Factory, this is such a great introduction because it kind of sums up everything that this brand is. It brings you that joy, it brings you something that's flattering, that's comfortable, and one of a kind, truly.
Yes, indeed. You know, nobody else is doing button covers. You've been requesting them. We wanted to bring them back to you for our 30th anniversary here on QVC and QVC2. You're seeing this on Crystal. Crystal is wearing our size medium. She is 5'3", looking so fabulous in that light aqua. Really cute.
I absolutely love the color on her. I mean, and we have to go back to the flower, the happiest flower.
Yes, the happiest flower.
This is inspired by the one and only Jean Bice.
Yes.
And that's all I have to say about that, because if she loves You've Got Mail, and I love You've Got Mail, so I feel like it's a cosmic connection, which means you should join us in that cosmic connection and pick up these daisies of your own. This is the only order of the year. It is new today. I'm holding up our azalea, which is that great pink color. You can notice that it is a plain back, but you're getting that 60 cotton, 40 polyester, so it's going to be super comfortable. You have those kissed on sparkles.
And note, there's no button covers on this one. We did that so you could see how it looks without them.
Yes.
And then the other two have it on there.
And then we have our light aqua and our light navy. Extra, extra small through 5X are your sizes. 4 easy payments of $16.25. We'll get that home.